Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to read about list in Python programming. Okay, we will understand that what actually list means and how we can create a list. Okay, so as you know that list in Python it is treated as a data type, one of the data type. Okay, list which is used to store a collection of atoms which are ordered and you can say that mutables. Okay, so that is called list. For example, if you want to see how we can create a list, suppose I am going to create a list of fruit. Okay, so I will create one fruit variable, and lists are generally created by square bracket, and we will give a fruit name here. For example, mango, banana, grapes, and orange. So here what you can see is this is the this is our one list. Okay, so what list? This is the group of fruits, okay, which we are storing inside a called variable name fruits. So here it will be called as our list, and the name of that list will be fruits. Okay, so mango, banana, grapes, and orange will be the elements of this list. Okay, so we will see, if we want to see the definition, list in a Python is an ordered, okay, mutable collection of the atom. So here I have created one list. Okay, so why it is called as ordered? Say this is a collection of atom. Okay, so generally ordered means it will get one index number. Okay, it will given as 1, sorry, it will be given as 0, it will given as 1 2 3, like that. If you want to negative indexing, -1, -2, -3, and -4, and so on, like that. Okay, so mutable means we can update its element. Okay, we can change its element. We can change its element, we can add the new element inside this list. Okay, so these are the basic property of the list. Okay, so see what list means. Order means that fixed order will be given. Okay, so here mangoes will have one order number 0, it will have one order number, so it's not going to change. Okay, now mutable means we can change the element after creation. And heterogeneous, okay, a list can contain different type of data type. Okay, means suppose I am creating one list. Okay, list 1, you can see here list 1, and I am storing inside it different type of data. Suppose mango. Okay, 1 2 3 4.5, and I am storing here any character. Okay, so this is nothing but this one will be also list. Means heterogeneous, a list can store different type of data inside it. Okay, and another is indexing, just I explained. And dynamic means list size is not fixed. Okay, we can either increase its size or decrease its size during the, okay, during the executions. So that's why we say that list behave dynamically. So let's look practically this one. Okay, so we will open our id. So if you don't have this id, okay, you can download from python.org. Just go for new and maximize this one. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, just I will show you how we can create a simple list. Okay, so give any name. For example, I am creating one list of animal, animal, animal. Okay, we will create one animal variable, and you know that for creating list we will need a square bracket. Okay, once we will create a square bracket, we will put the list of element. Okay, for example, we will use dog, cat, sorry, and lion. Okay, lion. So here this one is our list is got created. Okay, so I am going to check that what are element inside the list. Okay, print and just write down that any list name animal. Okay, now I am also going to check actually what that variable data is storing it. Print, and you know that type function, how we can know type, and I'm going to know animal. Okay, here, so save this one, control S. Okay, now list 2.py. Okay, p.py is extension. So now our list has got created. Now I'm going to run this one. See, dog, cat, lion is our list. As you can see, class type is list. From this line we are getting the data type which it is stored. Okay, so here it's clearly visible that it is a list. Okay, so now what will happen, I want to create another list. Okay, suppose I am going to create another list mix equal to of different data type. Okay, I am storing one number 23, other as a character. Okay, good. Okay, and other one float number 34.5, and okay, any symbol I am storing here, let it as, it will be also same thing. Okay, string only. So here I am going to now print this one, print. Okay, so print mix, sorry, print mix. Okay, now I want to know is mixed data type. Okay, print type function, I will use type function, I will give the list name here, and I will save it and I will run it. See here, this one is the dog which of previous one, this one, and here 23 got 34 point float, integer or string. Okay, we can store inside a one common name. Okay, that is list. So this is how we can create a list. Even if we want, we can create a empty list. Okay, so how we can create a empty list, let create is list list 2. I'm going to give it name as list 2, and I'm just using the curly braces, means nothing is there. Okay, no element is there. So now I'm going to print this one, print, and put that list name list 2. Okay, so now I'm going to save it and run it. See, this one is your empty, no element inside a list. Even we can create a list by using a list function. How? Just see. For example, print, okay, list and 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, so this is, I am going to save it and I will run it. Sorry, text recently called last, print list. Okay, print list 1 2 3, list expected most one argument or got 4 argument. Okay, so let me check it. So I think I have made one mistake here. Okay, let me close it. Using list function we can create a list, but not like this. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one variable num. Okay, now I'm going to use the list function list, and I'm going to give that number any one number 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, double bracket, close it. Now my list is got stored into num variable. Okay, now I'm going to print this one, print num and after that I want to know the type also. Print type type num. Okay, now save it and run this one. Okay, yeah, see this one now. Our list is created, okay, using the list function. So by using list function we can create our one list also. Okay, either we can create like this using the square bracket, okay, with square bracket and with a list function or a empty function or a empty list we can create like this. Okay, so I hope you have understood how we can create a list. If you want to know the syntax of list, just let me let you know. First you have to write list name, the any list name you want to give, or you can say that variable inside which you want to create a list, and give that one. Okay, square bracket, use the square bracket to create a list. Okay, now element element 1 comma, okay, element 2 comma, element 3, and so on, how many element you want to put here. Okay, so this is the basic syntax of creating a list. I hope you have understood what actually list means, and how we can create a list. In next video we are going to see the basic list operations. Okay, so I hope you have understood this lecture. Please like and subscribe and share with your friend. Thank you.